Suwa, Nagano. Lake Suwa, Yatsugatake Mountains, and the Highlands. Vast expanses of breathtaking nature. This is the land from which Epson emerged. To never pollute Lake Suwa. This is the promise we made to the community. Efficient, compact, and precision technologies, all in pursuit of delivering more accurate time. Technology has value only in its capacity to serve people. Creativity and challenge, making things the world has not yet seen. Countless of our creations have traveled to every corner of the earth, bringing surprise and delight in harmony with nature, solving societal issues with new technologies, always and forever with you.